Bill Nye the Science Guy.
One of the most fundamental concepts is to learn balancing equations. Here magnesium nitride reacts with water to form magnesium hydroxide and ammonia. All four elements are on each side of the equation, but it is not yet balanced. First, we should look at the least common elements. There are 3 magnesium ions on the left side, but only 1 on the right side. If we add a coefficient of 3 to magnesium hydroxide, the magnesiums balance out. Now let's look at nitrogen. There are 2 nitrogen ions on the left side, so we must add a coefficient of 2 to ammonia to balance the right side of the equation with the left side. Now let's look at the hydrogen and oxygen. The right side of the equation has 12 hydrogen and 6 oxygen. A coefficient of 6 on water balances out the hydrogen and oxygen perfectly. All of the elements are now balanced on each side. Balancing equations isn't just important in chemistry. Take the wonderful game of rugby. The UR Sledgehammers are about to play a game against each other. But they did not divide the teams equally. Each team has the same number of players, but one team is much stronger than the other, so they are unbalanced. Let's see what happens when they try to push against each other. As you can see, when 2 sides of a scrum, like a reaction, are unbalanced, things go very wrong.
Aww.
Now let's see what happens when the team takes the time to consider all of their players and create 2 balanced teams. Now that both teams are balanced, the scrum won't collapse and a successful game of rugby can begin.